the form of a chemical equation is usually some chemical A plus some chemical B gives you some chemical C plus some other chemical D. Okay, so there could be any number of chemicals on either side of the arrow, and it doesn't really matter which one. Okay, so it could be 20 chemicals form 2, or 40 chemicals form into 1, or 1 chemical turns into 60 other chemicals. So the number is not set. You can have as many as you want. So A and B are reactants, and C and D are products. So in order to obey the law of conservation of mass, so for instance, mass just can't disappear. That doesn't happen. So that's what the law of conservation of mass is, that mass must be constant on both sides. And so we need to balance equations to do this, okay? So we need to balance this equation somehow so that we have equal numbers of atoms on either side, okay? So balancing equations quickly comes with practice, and I can't stress this enough. The more practice you get at it, the faster you'll be. When I was making this particular lesson, I struggled to develop a foolproof way of doing it because I've done it for so long. I have my own systems, and I skip a lot of steps and things. So I struggled to make this actual lesson for you because I have a lot of practice doing this. And that's the only way you get good at these things, by practice, okay? Now, another thing is that there's no right way to do this, okay? You can do it however you want, but there are less efficient ways of doing it. I'm going to teach you in this lesson a foolproof way of doing it, so there's no way you can miss out if you do it this way, but it is less efficient than other methods, okay? So I could solve these questions much faster if I did it my way, but you may not be able to follow it if you've never seen this before. So I'm going to give you the full version of the solution, and as you get more confident and as you develop your own techniques, you can start to chop and change a little bit, and you'll be able to speed up the process by like an order of magnitude or something. Okay, so there are no right ways, but you can have less efficient ways or ways that will give you the wrong answer sometimes, okay?